Okay. Hello. Habadabadoo. Hello.
Hello, Guy.
Good morning.
Let's go out together.
Go, team, go!
1, 2, 3, go.
Follow me.
Wow, that's just awesome.
Hey, hey!
What's going on here?
Whoa!
That's nice. Wow.
Oh, I like.
What are we gonna do?
Let me do it.
All right.
I got an idea.
Hey, you.
Let's stand on each other and pick it.
That's a great idea.
Hurry, hurry!
Come on.
Yo!
The other two are too high. Green, please come help us.
Oh, yeah.
Hurry up. It's almost unbearable.
Oh, no, no.
Yay! We did it!
That's just incredible.
Yes! Yes!
Go, team, go!
Yes! Yes, sir!
Woohoo! We made it.
Let's share with each other and take it home.
Yeah!
Go, team, go!
Yeah!
Hello, little friends. Let's check out what's in these eggs.
Wow!
Yahoo!
It's a chili. It's very spicy.
Wow!
Green chili. The next fruit is mangosteen.
Yummy!
Mangosteen. Finally, a mango. Mango looks so fresh.
I'm so hungry. Hey, give me a bite.
Okay, let's open the next egg. This one. Great, we have 3 more fruits. The first fruit is melon. Melon is very sweet and crunchy. Let's try it. We have a really delicious and sweet persimmon. We can make dried persimmons with it. Persimmon.
That's nice!
Oh, it's a pineapple. There are many vitamins in pineapple that are very good for health. Okay, the last egg is blue.
Wow!
Oh, it's a star fruit. Sweet and sour. A lovely watermelon. Watermelon is sweet and juicy. But remember to spit out the seeds when eating. Okay, the last one. This is lychee, a source of essential vitamins and minerals for the body. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe and follow.
Goodbye.